Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your #1 news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Chimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your #1 news channel.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy TC Virus, aka Gunmen. So guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beg. Subscribe for more updates.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend on your time and location. Welcome back to Sunrise Daily TV. The news today says Nigeria's President Bola Ahmed Tinubu reduces number of Nigerian delegates to UN General Assembly. The Nigerian President Tinubu has issued a directive to reduce the size of Nigeria's official delegation to the 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly meetings holding in New York, United States. Femi Gbajabiamila, Chief of Staff to the President, reviewed the directive on Saturday in Abuja during a one-day retreat organized by the State House Management for Health of Government Agencies under its supervision. The theme of the one-day retreat was strengthening institutional mechanism for effective delivery. This was contained in a statement by the Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity, Ajuri Ngelale, titled President Tinubu directs that only authorized officials with business at UNGA should attend. Addressing participants at the retreat, the Chief of Staff said, during recent protests, there were talks about reduction in the cost of governance. Everyone is waiting to see if Nigeria, as in the past, will send the largest delegation to UNGA. He said the decision to streamline Nigeria's delegation to the UNGA in September is part of the administration's commitment to ensure prudent management of resources and reduce the cost of governance. He also highlighted the need for the State House and agencies under its supervision to ensure that its functions are guided by statutes, regulations, policy decisions, and presidential directives. Gbajabiamila hinted that upcoming policy announcements aimed at ensuring efficient service delivery in government operations. Moving on to the next report. Gunmen invade Anambra. Before we proceed, I want to bring this to your notice. You can get all kinds of phones and phone accessories, all kinds of Android phones at Sunrise Gold Express. We are also using this opportunity to inform you that they also do easy buy. In case you don't have complete money, they also do easy buy. Just go and get your phone and deposit like 60 to 70% and be paying instrumentally till you finish up. Sunrise Gold Express is located at area L Zone 4 Trinity Road behind World Bank Market, Owerri, Imo State. The first plaza painted brown behind World Bank Market, Owerri, Imo State. They sell all kinds of Android phone, Samsung, S10, S20, Samsung Galaxy, Note 20, Note 10, Note 20 Ultra, Infinix Hot 30, Hot 30i, Hot 40, Hot 40i, Xiaomi, Oppo, Hawaii, etc., etc. Hurry up now and grab your own. They have different kinds of accessories such as ring lights, MP3, chargers, car phone hanger. Whatever you need is in their store. All their products comes from abroad, direct from abroad. It is not fairly used. They don't sell fairly used. They don't sell Tokumbo. They sell brand new phones. If you want to contact them, just look at your screen. Look on your screen. You will see their phone contacts. All their details are boldly written on the flyer and signposts displaying on your screen. The first the Airtel number 08126741816 is on WhatsApp, while you can call directly on 08066298203. This is the contacts you can use to get them directly. Community: attack Nigerian police checkpoint, key officer. Gunmen attacked a police checkpoint beside the Nnobi police station at Nnobi Mpo Road in the Idemili South local government area of Anambra State, killing a policeman. A source in the area said the policeman killed during the attack on Friday was the driver of one of the police vehicles. According to Punch, the source said the hoodlums entered the community on Friday and lodged in a house close to the checkpoint. They broke a wall through which they entered the compound and forced the residents to open the gates to drive in their cars. They were also said to have collected the handsets belonging to the residents and forced them into a room and warned them not to raise the alarm, failing which they would be shot. The latest attack is coming less than 3 weeks after some gunmen similarly attacked a police checkpoint on Omata Nnobi Road in Nnewi North local government area of the state, during which one police officer was also gunned down by the hoodlums, who also used an explosive device to launch the attack. The Anambra State Police Public Relations Officer SP Ikenga Tochukwu confirmed the attack. Ikenga also disclosed that the situation was under control as there was an ongoing operation in the area. The directive of the State Commissioner of Police, Nahe Itam. Meanwhile, there is an ongoing operation in the area on the order of the Commissioner of Police. Further details shall be communicated, he said. Soludo, Take It Back movement, Amnesty International team up to seek justice for end bad governance protest victims. Former presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC), Omoyele Sowore, has announced a new collaboration to support victims of the end bad governance protests. Speaking on Saturday during an X-Space discussion titled "End Bad Governance in Nigeria Protests, What Next?", Sowore revealed that Take It Back, alongside Amnesty International Nigeria and other advocacy groups, legal professionals, is actively working to ensure justice for those who were killed, injured or detained during the protests. Sowore expressed his determination to hold those responsible for the violence accountable. He recalled that when he was arrested in 2019, they claimed they found money in his account. They took him to court, but they could not present a shred of evidence. The best place to clear your name is to be prosecuted for any form of corruption or mafia-related activities, he said. Soludo said take it back as representative in all his states, including Kano, Kaduna, Gombe, Yobe, and even Jigawa. He said the movement provided all of this to them in Kano, Kaduna, and other places. But the government, particularly the APC party, had a different agenda. He said that the Kano state government met with the protesters, peaceful protesters. Actions were taken by individuals writing letters to commissioners of police, informing them of where they want to protest and giving them their phone numbers and locations. And now foreign news. US Vice Presidential candidate J.D. Vance charter plane makes emergency landing after malfunction. A charter plane carrying J.D. Vance, the United States Republican Vice Presidential candidate, was forced to make an emergency landing on Friday due to a door malfunction. The Boeing 737 had just taken off from Milwaukee, where Vance was attending a campaign event with local police officers shortly after departure. The crew dictated the malfunction and decided to return to the airport for immediate repairs. BBC reports that after repairs were completed, the plane continued to Cincinnati, where Mr. Vance resides. Last week, former President Donald Trump was forced to make an emergency landing while en route to a rally in Montana. Mr. Vance was traveling with his wife, Osha, their dog, Atlas, his campaign team, and reporters when the emergency was declared on Friday afternoon. A spokeswoman for Mr. Vance, Taylor Van Keek, stated, "The pilot reported a malfunction with the door seal." She added, after declaring an emergency, Trump forced to return to Milwaukee. Once the issue was resolved, the plane resumed its flight path to Cincinnati. According to the New York Times, the pilot announced about 4 minutes into the flight that passengers should fasten their seatbelts. The paper reported that Secret Service agents on board reacted with confusion and laughter, and it wasn't immediately clear to some passengers that there was an emergency until after the plane landed. And that ends the news. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you have not done so that you can be getting first class or first hand information. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your #1 news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Uchimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your #1 news channel.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy TC Virus, aka Rental. Guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beg. Subscribe for more.